Hi, I'm Joanna. I'm a Chinese native speaker. I can speak English and Mandarin. My English level is CET6. I got my master's degree of education in 2007. I also worked for foreign trade industry for more than 10 years. I can teach all levels in Chinese, the beginner and the advanced level. I will try to teach you in a simple and easy way. For example, I will use a whiteboard to teach you. 你好. Read after me. If we greet each other in a polite way, it will be 您好. Okay, if we do apologize to each other, we should say 对不起. It means I'm sorry. Okay, 没关系. It means it doesn't matter. If you want to learn Chinese characters, I will try to teach you in an interesting way. For example, we will draw the ancient pictures. Our Chinese ancestors draw a picture of a sun. The dot, black dot, it means the sun, and the circle, it means the sunshine. Okay, after simplified, it is 日. And this one, 月, is it like a moon, the shape of a moon? After simplified, it is 月, means moon. If a sun and a moon, it is very, very bright, right? It's 明, and after a day and a night, it is also tomorrow. Happy you master Chinese is my mission, so don't wait. Book a trial lesson with me. Let's start the amazing journey.